Hi friends, welcome to another video. Thank you so much for being here, and on today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I deep clean this small laundry room. It is super dirty, and we are going to deep clean it. So if you are excited to see the end of the results of this cleaning, please keep on watching and stay at the end of the video so you can see the transformation of this room. So as you guys see, all of the walls, the floor, the washer and dryer, the door, it's super dirty and dusty. So today I will be scrubbing all the walls and baseboards and scrubbing the door. I wish you guys could see this because I don't think the video camera really shows how dirty it is, but I'm gonna try my best and show you guys how bad this was, and I hope you guys can see the difference when we finish this cleaning. Alright my friends, so I will begin by getting rid of this dirt. I will dust everything and I am going to wipe down all these surfaces. And what I did with the dryer and washer to bring up the white again, because they were looking like yellow, but it was all dirt. What I did was use hot water with dish soap and a magic eraser, and what I did is just scrub both of the machines with that, and they came up really good. They look white and and I am pretty happy with those two. Okay, my friends, and for the door, I'll be using the same magic eraser, and like I said before, I'm using just a little bit of water with soap, and I add a little bit of bleach, and I'll just scrub and wipe things down, and that is it. And for the walls, my friends, I will be using the same water solution and the magic eraser. I'll be scrubbing the wall baseboard, and I just dust all the dust away so I can have that ready to clean. I will also remove this air vent. It is super dirty. I will wash it on the sink and put it back again. See, I wiped down this wall, and I tried really hard on those three spots, and I don't know if it's paint or something, but it's not coming out, so I will not keep scrubbing in the same place because I do not want to damage the paint. So we will leave those like that, and let the owner know that those spots are not coming out. Also, don't be afraid of using water and soap on the walls. Scrub those walls, and as long as you wipe them down, dry the wall down quickly, the wall will not absorb the water. So as long as you do everything quickly and wipe it down, you should be okay. And to finish up this cleaning, I will be using my favorite mop, which is the ᴤᴜ mop. As you guys know, I am obsessed with this mop. I use it to clean pretty much every type of floor. Pretty much any cleaning that I do, I mop the floors with this mop. I am obsessed. I love it. And if you guys haven't tried it yet, you guys should give it a try because I think you guys would love it too. If you guys remember at the beginning of this video, I told you guys that I was gonna remove this air vent and wash it, and that's what I did. I took it to the sink and scrubbed it with the brush, and it looks so much better now. And well, that is it. This is the end of the cleaning. I'll show you guys how the walls and baseboards look. Everything looks much better now. No more dust, and the walls are my favorite because they look so clean now, except for some of the spots in the in this wall that did not come out. But other than that, everything looks really nice. Okay, my friends, so this is the end of the video. I will do a quick walkthrough and show you guys how this little room looks. I think it looks beautiful. It looks so much better now. I am pretty happy with this deep cleaning, and I am pretty sure the owner would be super happy with it as well. This is it. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.